Yeah. So, how's your new year? Tell me. We are towards the end of this year. So, tell me, how was this year, Chandan?
Yeah, this year has been so great, I would say. There's no complaining. And let's see after the beginning of years how it goes.
All right. So, good to hear that you had a wonderful year entirely. We are towards the end of it. We just have a 1 month left, technically. All right. So, any plans for New Year's?
Still, I didn't consider. Let's see. After reaching near to that day, I'm going to. I'm planning. I'm going to plan after that.
All
So
right. So,
how has your day been so far, Mel?
my day has been wonderful, touch wood. Okay, everything goes. A routine is a blessing because I feel anything that goes out of routine is a little troublesome. So I'm happy that everything is going in routine, I think, right? Okay,
Wow, that's
so
great.
yeah.
So we are meeting first time, so I would like to know a little bit about you.
Yeah, so if I would like to introduce myself. So I'm an IELTS trainer, okay, along with a spoken English trainer, and I've been in this profession since I was 8 years, working with various companies, okay, helping students get their band scores of IELTS, and yeah, spoken English IELTS depending on which English requirement is there. So that's how I work.
And what about your place? Where are you come? Where do you
Um,
come from?
I am basically from Mumbai itself. Yeah. So where do you hail from?
Wow, that's a great dream place. You
Okay,
come from?
you're from Mumbai itself?
No, 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 no. Actually, I'm from Bihar state.
Okay, you're from Bihar. That's wonderful. All right. So tell me, what do you like about Bihar, Chandan?
What I?
What do you like about the place that you stay? Any speciality of the place that you live in?
Yeah, of course. I like tradition, you can say, in Bihar.
What? Sorry, I couldn't get that word.
I love, the tradition,
Tradition. All
traditions,
right, tradition.
traditions,
Yes.
yeah, culture, I mean, customs, rituals of the Bihar.
All right.
You know the very famous festival of Bihar, Durga Puja and Chhat Puja. Do you know? I think you
Chhat
might be
Puja.
know.
Yeah,
You
I've heard
might be know
about
it.
Chhat Puja, but I don't know honestly too much about it. So if you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
tell me something about Chhat Puja, how do you
Uh,
celebrate? Anything about it?
this is a very normal and novel, voice if you can say for every individuals in Bihar state. People are taking fast for a few days, and after that, they have to make several kinds of recipes. I mean, what I say, foods just for worshipping for sun. They have to reach near to sun before arising the sun, and they have to stand near beside the river and holding their hand and
Oh,
waiting for coming up the sun. So
okay.
these kinds of the way we are celebrating these festivals, and it's a truly faithful festival for all individuals you can see in Bihar state. And not only Bihar state, but also in some of countries people are being celebrated.
Okay.
I think you might know.
Yeah, I have heard about it. Okay, I have heard about this festival Chhat Puja, but I did not know the way it is celebrated. Okay, I mean the one that you shared right now, that till morning, I think they are fasting, and after that they break their fast, right? Going to the river banks. That's what you shared right
Yes,
now, right? Okay, so
yes, yes, yes.
you told me in the morning, right? Before the sun comes up, right? So that is
Yes,
basically, that time is called dawn. Okay, we have dawn and we have dusk, right? So
yes,
towards
yes, yes.
dawn, you can say they break their fast. Okay, and however the ritual is, whatever it is done, I know about Karwa Chauth because I generally see they do something with that thing, and they see through it,
Yeah, it's a
and
very
that's
famous. Yeah,
yeah, that's very famous. So that is something I know about. So okay, so dawn and dusk, you can substitute that vocabulary. All right. All
yeah.
right. So
Thank you.
that, apart from that, tell me any unique recipe. You told me what is the favorite special cuisine of Bihar. Tell me.
Famous food. If I talk about very famous in Bihar states, so litti chokha. I think you might
Litti
know
chokha.
about.
Yeah, I've heard about it. Yeah, I've
It's a
heard.
very
I haven't tasted.
delicious.
Yeah, it's
It's a
very
very
delicious.
delicious. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And is it eaten on any special occasions or you just eat it anytime?
No, no, no. Actually, of course, whenever I feel I should have, then I just go ahead. Usually you can have this, kinds of recipe on the street. The mostly the people are setting out the chelas on the street and selling out. Because
Okay.
it's a very common in Bihar state. So anytime you can have this.
Okay, so it's a famous street food, right?
Yes,
That's what you're telling me, that it's available. Okay, just like momos are available everywhere these days. Uh,
yes,
yeah. So I would like to know that what is your opinion about the cultural influence, right? Momos is technically not an Indian recipe, right? It's a transformation of samosa, basically, right? So
yeah.
what do you think about the cultural influence India has now these days from Korea
Of
and different
course.
places?
Of course, I would say in India, like many of, the recipes has been influencing many of people in India, across the India, I would say. Nowadays, Indian people are adopting, this recipe wholeheartedly, I would say, and they are, having, at mostly the time, I would say, in parties and weddings and, most of the, function, you can have these kinds of, and people are enjoying to have each other, together. So yeah, you're right. And these recipes are influencing people a lot nowadays because it's a quite tasty, I would say.
Yes, definitely.
Yummy, I would
And
say. Yeah,
yeah, and maybe it gives a little bit of, variation, I can say, from the normal Indian cuisine that we are used to eating. And hence people are
yeah. The
more
spice,
the spice
puts
and
add on. It's a truly amazing, I would say. Gives us the amusement after having.
right. And Indian people are the most adaptable, I feel, right? We adapt to each and every culture wholeheartedly,
Yeah,
isn't
yeah,
it?
of course. Because in after adopting any cultures, it gives you the happiness, and
Yes.
which is most we want in life,
True.
right?
Right.
It's not only about Indian people. I am talking about different countries. People also are willing to accept,
Yeah.
adopting the different culture. Like if I talk about the famous festival in Bihar state, it's being adopted in America. In America, many of citizens are
Yes.
adopting nowadays. So yeah,
Right. And that's there. Although we are quite diverse, right? India is known for its diversity, I can say, but yet we are open to accepting each and every culture. That is wonderful. All right. So thinking about this gives me a next question that if you were to adopt a different culture apart from the Indian culture, okay, if you were given a choice, which culture would you adopt?
it depends on which countries are influencing me out.
That's what. Which countries influence you? Okay, change my question. That which is Indian culture is one thing. Okay, we have American culture, we have Japanese culture. Which culture do you think is the best apart from Indian culture, and which you would like to try?
I can't say like any specific, I mean, country's culture is very best. No,
Okay,
this would be the offended, I would think, other
all
countries, I
right.
would say. So this is not a right manner of indicating like who is the best. Every culture itself, best for the people, I would say.
Okay,
Right.
all
Each
right.
of them have their own specialities and purities, as I consider. Right. So we can't
Definitely.
categorize any of them, specific.
It's not
Yeah, but
about
if you
yeah,
ask me
yeah,
which is the best, I consider myself so
yes.
it's obvious things that makes me happy and you know like what I say like just extend my belief, right? So I personally consider who that is the best for me.
Okay, you told me expand your belief, right? If I'm not wrong, expand your belief.
Yeah, I think
If
I
you
went
can
wrong, I think.
elaborate that, expand your belief means in which sense expand your belief?
uh like towards the the traditions, I would say, towards the any specific traditions, I would say.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
All right. So any culture that expands your horizons of your belief, okay, that is something that you would like to inherit, okay, or you would like to imbibe in yourself, I can say much more, so that
yeah, I
it
didn't have the
adds
word that
on.
specifically, that's why I was unable to find.
Yeah. So that maybe it can influence and enhance your own culture that we have in ourselves, right? Okay, that's great. So, all right. So now coming to the new year again. Okay. Now new year is my
Okay.
favorite because I'm pepped up for the new year, I can say, from today onwards.
Oh, yeah,
So
you are looking so excited, I think.
It's good to be pepped up for the new year, right? New year brings a
Yeah.
lot of new opportunities for all of us. Okay. So something that you are looking forward to the new year or to the next year, what would you like the new year to be like for you?
Yeah, I think especially on New Year's, I would say like I often go to the fair, just hanging out with my friends and having some delicious, foods together and putting the new clothes, because in that day I make myself, different look, you
Okay.
know. So I'm really excited for having that day as soon as possible, I would say.
Okay.
And it's
That's
obvious things you can see the people are so bright, by
mm,
expression, by face, through their attires. It gives you a different, what I say, excitement, amusement. And the environment looking so captivating, what I always consider. Right.
there's happiness all around, right? In the new on the new year. So definitely it adds to your own, I can say, joyous moments that you feel, okay? Because you feel according to the environment that you are in, right? So everybody happy adds to your happiness, I'm sure. Okay. So putting on new clothes, okay. That was, can we substitute that putting on new clothes with something else?
Of course, why not? I'm
How
really
can we?
excited.
Okay, yeah. Apart from dressing up, right? You told me you like to dress up, putting on new clothes, dressing up. So yeah, tell me, one of the most favorite celebrations so far, uh, that you can recollect of New Year.
Okay, of New Year.
Hmm.
Actually, mostly I have chosen, like shorts and jeans, you know.
Okay.
It's
No,
a, it,
okay. No, no, Chandan. I was just telling you to tell me, describe one of your best New Year's experiences so far, if you can
okay,
tell me.
okay.
One.
Best experience of so far. Okay. So yeah, last year you can say
Okay.
I had a really great experience of my last year of experience, I would say. Like I spent, the entire day with my friends and planning out, many things, like how to celebrate these festivals, I mean, these years with my families as well. Mostly the young generations are always planning to celebrate all together, to each other, but not adding their families. But I was doing something different, I was planning to just get together for entire family to each other, celebrating that festival with the charm, you can say. So
That's
that
really
was my great
nice.
experience of mine of, I think, last year's, I would say.
That's really good, good to hear people who choose family over friends in today's time, because friends definitely have more power in today's growing world as against
Yeah.
family, right? And why do you think this has happened, Chandan, where children, especially youngsters, prefer more of friends rather than family?
Because I personally consider I'm also in the same page, you can say, so I can
Okay, you're on the
manifest
same page.
my
Okay,
ideas with the clarity. I would say we feel comfortable, we feel cozy, after having similar age of companion, together at the moment, and we are getting freedom to share entire opinions, with the fun and making entire day quite interesting. There's no boundaries, there's no restrictions, there's no need to consider if I speak something a very different, pathetic, then someone get hurt by listening, such words. I don't care that time if we are having equal, companion together. So these kinds of freedom I'm having. So these
so
kinds of mindset, the young generations are having itself nowadays.
yeah. What you shared, definitely that young generation today are much more liberating. Okay, you can say they're not judgmental towards each other. Okay, and that's really nice because you can express yourself much more confidently in front of them without the fear of being judged. Because generally with family, you have that stigma that, okay, there will be judgment, there will be answers, there will be questions. So yeah, with friends, you
Yeah.
have that liberty. So definitely.
Around them, you are not going to open up yourself, wholehearted, I would say. So
Okay.
you have to, go through very careful. You have to think before speaking any words, right? So these kinds of restrictions you are making internally
Okay.
around your parents, right? This is
Right.
called maturity, even you can say understanding well, right?
True, true. And okay. One question. If you were to ask an advice, Chandan, okay, whom would you refer to? Your friends or your family?
I would love to invite my families, except my friends, because whatever moment I'm going to celebrate with my families, that could be a best memories of my entire life, I would say.
Which what question did you hear? I asked you that if you were to take an advice, did
Okay,
you
advice.
you took something
Okay,
else,
okay.
right? Yeah, I
Yeah,
thought
yeah.
so. Yeah.
Advice. So I would
Whom would
like
you
to,
refer to?
whom I refer. Okay, I often get advice through my families.
Okay.
Yeah, because their alliance, it's very important than anything, I would say. I
Okay.
feel comfort when, at any place I'm celebrating any festival or any kinds of occasions with my friends. But getting advice through my parents, it would be works as a satisfaction from my inside. Yeah, my family is okay with me, whatever place I am, right?
True. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So
So
advice.
awaiting my
Yeah.
families before starting any occasions, it's very important for me.
Okay. Absolutely correct. Advice from family is much more satisfactory, you will say. Okay. Satisfaction, it's more satisfactory as compared to getting advice from friends or peers. Now, answer this why. It
Why?
is
Because
satisfactory. Yeah.
until or unless we are depending on parents, right? Parents are backbone for us. We are still
True.
child. We are not
Yes.
in that situation like I can take any decisions for any times like for any reason I think. So if something happen, if something happen in upcoming times, who would be the responsible for that? I'm not that much, mature for each situation to taking decision and solving my problems itself, right?
Right.
So until or unless family, must come there to, get out of me from that worst situation. If I am being stuck, right? So that's why it is very important to having the advice of my family.
Absolutely correct. It's because they are much more experienced, okay, and they have much more valuable knowledge as against people of your same age group, because of the age and the things that they have gone, right?
Yeah, and
So
because they raised me,
they raised
because
you.
of them,
Yeah,
I'm here. So
definitely.
I'm giving first priority for my families before anyone
Yes.
else.
You are accountable for your actions, you can say, right? Over here, you are accountable to your parents for the actions that you do, right? So definitely, asking them at least is the least that you can do when you need an advice. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
fine. So
So,
G, what
so,
were you
ma'am, I
saying?
didn't ask you any questions like what is your plans
For
on
the
New
new year,
Year's? Yes.
my new year is actually booked. Okay, I'm traveling outside. So that's how this year, luckily, I'm traveling out. So I'll be celebrating my new year in a different state with my family, which I
Wow.
haven't been. So yeah,
And it's
luckily it will be a
obviously might be foreigner, like I mean, different countries,
no, no,
UK,
it's a different state. That's a different
state,
state. Yeah, different Indian
but in
state.
India, I think,
In
in India,
India.
no?
Yes, yes, in India.
Okay.
Okay. I would like to visit India
Because
first and then visit the foreign. India
because
is
you are already living in a dream place, Mumbai.
definitely city of
Mostly the
dreams,
people are
right?
calling.
Definitely.
That's
So yeah,
wonderful.
so it's good to visit places of different cultures and traditions, as you said, right? So that you can learn more about those places, right?
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am, really.
So yeah, so it was wonderful talking to you, Chandan, and I hope you celebrate your new year and the next year with a great bash. All right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am, for
you.
giving
Great
me
talking to
this.
you. Yeah.
Yeah, let's
Bye.
see you then.
Yeah.
Bye bye.